Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to change the theme in WhatsApp. Whether you want a fresh new look or prefer a darker style to make late-night chats easier on your eyes, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're on the main screen where all your chats appear, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots. Tap on those. A small menu will drop down now. Choose the option labeled Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a few different sections. Tap on Chats. This is where all the appearance and display options for your conversations are located. Next, look for the option called Default Chat Theme. Tap on it, and you'll see a few theme choices appear. This is where the magic happens. You can choose between Light Mode, which keeps everything bright and clear, or Dark Mode, which gives your WhatsApp a sleek, modern look that's easier on the eyes at night. Once you've made your choice, simply tap OK to apply your new theme. WhatsApp will instantly update to your selected style, so you can see your new look right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in WhatsApp. It only takes a few taps, but it can completely refresh how your app looks and feels. Try experimenting with both light and dark modes to find the one that fits your mood or the time of day. If you ever change your mind, you can return to these same settings anytime and switch back in seconds. Thanks for watching.